The goal is not to be famous. The goal is not to be rich. The goal is to be wealthy, successful, and healthy. And today, I'm going to Vihiga County. I just had an opportunity to travel to Vihiga for a koito or a rasho. They call it pre-wedding in English. This is one of the best moments of my life in this area. Going to this place just make you feel it is a goal. Western is a place to go. If I was asked in Kenya, where can you invest? I would say invest in Western and Nyanza region. People are so much afraid of investing in many parts of Kenya where there is a lot of green, a lot of place that they have natural resources that can make a good for farming. And Western is a place that each person should think of when you invest. This Hamisi Stadium. So guys, good thing about Western, it is green. That is one thing you should know. This place doesn't get dry. Western has never been evergreen, has never been dumped. Western is a place where you can do farming. Western is where food should be coming from Kenya. I don't know why our politicians don't take advantage of this place, because they should be taking advantage of this in a daily basis. Hamisi, not Halisi, sorry. Hamisi Stadium. It is located in Vihiga County. Vihiga is also one of the biggest county in Kenya, and on Western region is also one of the biggest with a lot of population there. And Hamisi has now is a small town in this area of Vihiga, Western County. So we had an opportunity to come here and do our thing here, and the video will be out. I'll be publishing the trailer today. I'm waiting for some footage from a drone footage that will make my video super wow from the other photographer who had a drone. God willing, one day I will have mine. Please subscribe. I want to buy one because this professional just need it, and to do that I'm here, and I don't have to give up. I have to continue pushing on. This is the one thing that makes me every day to wake up. I like taking pictures. I like doing these little videos that I make, and this has been part of me. I want to do a life with this. I want it to give me a freedom. Doing traveling give me just a freedom to do it better. It give me that inspiration to do it, and I just trust the process that one day, one time, I'm gonna tell a story. One day, one time, I'm gonna be the change I want to see. As you can see, area around me, there is a lot of pictures, there is a lot of images that I can get. Even I'm trying NFTs, and apart from that, I may do photography. It is what is gonna change my life. It is the one that will bring food on my table. And to do that, you're gonna subscribe. Are you? Please do so. And don't forget to subscribe on my channel. Be blessed. Bye.